Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, Jackie's Town. I haven't done a video in a short while. I've had a lot going on, and so today I thought to do a quick video. Recently my father passed away. He was in hospice for about a week, and a neighbor of mine down the street sent flowers to the funeral home, and it was sad just to see it sit there and wither away. So in honor of my father, I'm doing this little flower setup. Now, I'm no florist, so I don't know if you're going to like this, but I thought of my dad and thought, why not try to do something cute and put it on the table as a little reminder of my dad. My dad was a lemon lover. So in honor of my dad, I'm going to do a little vase full of little slices of lemon. My dad's name was Benjamin. I miss him so much. So what I did here is I have a vase with a glass in the center. I got this vase from the thrift store for $1. I was trying to find one without any design so you can really get a nice view of the lemons. It's really pretty. I got this idea one time. My husband bought me some flowers just because, and it was full of lemons, and I thought that was the cutest little thing. And of all the flowers he's gotten me, I gotta say that was by far my favorite. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to put some water in the glass and then put a little water around the edges. I think you can also do this with oranges. I think it'll look just as nice with oranges as well. So again, I said I'm no florist, so I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm not the one who did the last flower vase. But I'm just going to play around with it here. This is a little bit broken, so. And this wasn't meant to last long, guys. Just a couple of days. I'll put that aside, it's broken. Carnations. Now when they give you the carnations, they have wires in there, I assume just to hold it up. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And like I said, I haven't been on here for a while. I have tons of ideas of what I want to do as far as DIY projects, treats. It's just been a little tough these last few weeks, but I'm trying to get myself back in the game. Let's see here. If any of you do flowers and you see that I'm doing something wrong, please feel free to comment and let me know what I can do better for the next one. But like I said, my dad loved his lemons. Lemon water ice, lemon pastry, lemon candy. Well, I don't think there was any sweet treats he discriminated against. He just loved his sweets, but the lemon flavor just stood out to me. A couple of tall ones in here. Try to put the tall ones in the center, but they're not really holding well in the center. And I'm not going to fill this up too much. Just a few flowers. Now I'm going to slice up some more lemons. I'm using a box cutter because I find it easier to slice the lemons thinner. You get a lot more lemons if you slice them thin. Hopefully I won't slice my fingers off. Have any of you ever used lemons or oranges in your flower vases? If you have any pictures, I'd like to see them. If you can post them in the comments below. Alright, I'm going to start filling this up so I'll know how many lemon slices I need. I wonder if they'll all come to the top. And it really does have a nice fragrance. With all the craziness going around with this corona madness, a little smell of lemon takes your mind off of it for a second. What are you guys doing with this corona madness? Are you guys on lockdown? Are your kids off from school? My kids are off from school so far for 2 weeks. They're getting their homework sent through email, schoolwork. Let's see how that works out. I can't get the lemons to stay down. Maybe if I put enough of them in there, they'll finally go down, but I don't see that happening. I wonder what I could have done different to get these lemon slices to stay down. I think I'm going to have to try this another time with some oranges. I bet that looks very nice. I'm making a mess with this water. There we go. I guess I just had to fill it in. It smells so good. If you like the smell of lemon, gives it a nice fresh spring smell. Or a clean smell, I guess I should say. Let me not cut my fingers. There you go. Now they're starting to stay down. I'm not even really being too careful right now with how thin I slice them. I'm just trying to make sure I don't slice my fingers. See that? Oh, that looks pretty. Do you guys like this? Let's see the back side. Get a slice in there. Oh, I like it. So cute. Let me dry my hands real quick. Like that. Let's see here. Got any more flowers in there? Maybe I shouldn't try to fit any more. This one still had the wire in there. I forgot to take the wire out. There you go. Now, as soon as my glue gun heats up, because again, I forgot to turn it on, I already have my ribbon pre-cut. I had a little ribbon on there. That looks really nice. And I think once I put the ribbon on there, I wasn't sure if I should do a little jute twine bow, but I think for now I'm going to leave it as is. You get to see that. Let me clean this mess up here. Give my glue gun a second to heat up. Let's see if it's hot. No. Okay, so my glue gun did heat up. It's hot. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this ribbon here on the top. And there you go. What do you think? Like it? Let me know if you've ever done any flowers and vases with fruits. I kind of like the lemon. I want to try the orange. Again, thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment. That'll help my channel grow. And that'll help me throw out some more videos to you if you're into DIYs or treats, something quick and inexpensive. Give me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. And I'll keep those videos rolling. And I did this little vase in honor of my dad. Lemony Benny. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, stay safe. Have a good one.